let's go find Steve the Tin Man. We love being quick and efficient with our work. That's why we always stage our tools and materials ready for us to grab them as needed. Customer satisfaction is always our #1 priority. That's why we lay down tarps to keep the customer's floor nice and clean. Now let's go check on Steve in this crawl space.
Good if you enjoyed it. Glad you're finally here. We pulled out this furnace today. We have to get clear out that backside on the furnace. We're going to tear all this out of here. And we're going to rebuild this. And this new furnace that's going in here is going to be facing this way. So it's easier to walk up to and work on, change the furnace filter. We're going to be cleaning this stuff up quite a bit. Let's go, let's get our tools and get this thing poured out.
Here we're working on tearing out the furnace and coil. We always keep our tools close by and nicely staged in order for us to be quick and efficient, just like we like to do it. Finally, we've got the air conditioner coil and furnace out. Now we just clean up after ourselves and measure to build our duct at the shop. Now we're going to go ahead and build our nice platform in order for our furnace and air conditioner coil to sit above ground. We always do things the right way. That's why we don't simply set the air conditioner coil or furnace on the platform. We're going to go ahead and raise it somehow. We simply set bricks on top of the platform in order for us to sit the coil and furnace on top. American HVAC, genuine heating and air.